Hej, jeg heter Jóan Petur, mislastemmen på min sang av Mus topplistan.
Tips are good on Tuesdays at the local coffee cafe as she pours her hopes in paper cups. Passing time till 18, counting customers and caffeine, saving quarters almost has enough. And in a year she won't be here, dreaming and saving. Serve small town smiles just for a while, wishing and waiting. Never did fit in here, always had ambition so clear, always knew she'd strike out on her own. Throwing maps on napkins, working hard to make it happen, clearing off the counter